that hurts. Is this spot killing you too? Here's why. You probably have tennis elbow. Watch till the end so you can be more certain if you have it or not by doing some tests. If you're feeling sharp pain right here on the outer side of your elbow, you probably have tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis, and you don't have to play tennis to get it. It is usually caused by small tears on your wrist extender tendon that connects to the bone on the outer side of your elbow. It comes from repetitive motion of your wrist and hand, such as lifting, typing, or yes, even playing tennis when you do the backhand. That's how it got its name from originally. This is your body's way of saying that you overwork it. It's irritated. It's inflamed. The first test is the tenderness test. Press that spot on the outer side of your elbow where you feel the pain. If you feel a sharp pain there, or what we call tenderness, that means it's a positive sign for the first test. It increases the odds that you have tennis elbow. By the way, if you find this helpful, please consider supporting me by subscribing to my channel. For the second test, try extending your wrist. Then resist it with the other hand. If you feel pain on resisted wrist extension, that's a positive sign. To put them all together, if you have pain on the outer side of your elbow, you have tenderness on the outer side of the elbow on that spot where you have the pain, and you have pain on resisted wrist extension, then you have 90 to 95% chance that you have a tennis elbow. And here's how to get rid of it. Watch the next video.